We all have that one favorite beverage that we enjoy on a regular basis. Whether it's a hot cup of coffee or a glass of wine, it's easy to take for granted the process behind how it's made. But what happens when you discover the truth behind how your favorite drinks and foods are made? It's likely you'll never be able to enjoy it again. In this video, we'll be looking at how some of the most popular drinks and foods are made and why you'll never drink or eat them again knowing the truth. So, do subscribe to our food history YouTube channel and like this video for more informational videos like this. Without any further delay, let's dive in. Soda. Soda is a beloved beverage enjoyed by millions of people around the world. But have you ever stopped to think about what goes into making it? The truth is that soda is made up of a combination of water, high fructose corn syrup, artificial flavors and colors, and carbon dioxide gas. The high fructose corn syrup used in soda is a highly processed form of sugar that can be detrimental to our health when consumed in excess. Furthermore, the artificial flavors and colors used to create soda are often made from synthetic chemicals that can have negative effects on our bodies. Knowing the process and ingredients that go into making soda may make you think twice before reaching for that can. Energy drinks. The main ingredients of energy drinks are caffeine, taurine, and sugar. While caffeine and taurine are derived from natural sources, the sugar used in these drinks is highly processed and refined. A single can of energy drink contains up to 52 grams of sugar, which is more than twice the recommended daily intake. The sugar used in energy drinks is made from sugar beets or sugar cane, which go through a complex process involving chemicals, such as lime and sulfur dioxide, to clarify and concentrate the sugar. This process can have negative environmental impacts, and the excess sugar consumption can lead to various health issues like obesity, diabetes, and heart diseases. Fruit juices. To start, most commercial fruit juices are made using a process called high-pressure processing (HPP). This involves applying intense pressure to the fruit to extract the juice, which is then pasteurized to kill any bacteria and prolong its shelf life. Additionally, many fruit juices are heavily sweetened with high fructose corn syrup or other sweeteners, which can contribute to a host of health problems, including obesity and diabetes. Even some so-called 100% fruit juices may not be as pure as you think. In fact, some manufacturers use flavor packs to enhance the taste of their juices, which can contain artificial ingredients and additives. Alcohol. The process of making alcohol involves the fermentation of various grains, fruits, or vegetables, which converts the sugars in these raw materials into ethanol. The raw materials are first mashed, which releases the natural sugars. Yeast is then added to the mash, which consumes the sugars and produces alcohol as a byproduct. This process might sound simple, but the reality is far more complex. The fermentation process requires careful control of temperature, pH levels, and oxygen levels, among other factors. Additionally, the use of additives such as sulfites and artificial flavors can further complicate the production process. Knowing how alcohol is made might make you more aware of the potential risks and health hazards associated with drinking. Red Bull. Red Bull is a popular energy drink that claims to improve mental and physical performance. However, the truth behind its ingredients is less than appetizing. Red Bull contains caffeine, taurine, and a staggering amount of refined sugar. The sugar used in Red Bull is made from sugar beets or sugar cane, which undergo a complex and chemical-heavy process that involves the use of lime and sulfur dioxide to clarify and lighten the juice. After boiling and evaporating the water, the result is a syrupy molasses that is added to the drink. Knowing how Red Bull is made, you may think twice before consuming it again. Hot coffee. The first step in making coffee is to roast the coffee beans. The roasting process brings out the rich, complex flavors and aromas that make coffee so delicious. During roasting, the beans are heated to high temperatures, which causes chemical reactions to occur that transform the raw beans into the aromatic, flavorful coffee that we know and love. Once the beans are roasted, they are ground into a fine powder and brewed with hot water. The hot water extracts the flavors and oils from the coffee grounds, creating a rich, flavorful brew. However, the process of brewing coffee can also be a bit more complex than just pouring hot water over the ground. Factors like the water temperature, brewing time, and brewing method can all affect the flavor and quality of the coffee. Coca-Cola. The main ingredients in Coca-Cola are carbonated water, high fructose corn syrup, caramel color, phosphoric acid, natural flavors, and caffeine. The high fructose corn syrup is derived from corn, which is heavily processed and refined. The caramel color is made by heating sugar and other carbohydrates under high pressure and temperature until they turn brown. The phosphoric acid is a corrosive chemical that is used to give the drink its tangy flavor. All these ingredients are mixed together in massive tanks and then bottled or canned. The process of making Coca-Cola is heavily industrialized and involves a lot of machinery and automation. The end result is a drink that's high in sugar and calories, and has been linked to various health problems such as obesity and diabetes. Nutella. You might be surprised to learn that the ingredients used to make this delicious spread are not as healthy as you might think. Nutella is made primarily from sugar, palm oil, hazelnuts, and cocoa powder. The hazelnuts are roasted and ground into a paste, which is then combined with the other ingredients to create the final product. While hazelnuts are a healthy source of protein and healthy fats, the large amounts of sugar and palm oil used in Nutella are not as healthy. Palm oil is used in processed foods and has been linked to deforestation and habitat destruction for endangered species. Additionally, the high sugar content in Nutella can contribute to weight gain and other health issues when consumed in excess. Peanut butter. The main ingredient in peanut butter is, of course, peanuts. But did you know that the peanuts used in peanut butter are often contaminated with mold and other harmful substances? In order to remove these impurities, the peanuts are roasted at high temperatures. The roasting process also has a significant impact on the nutritional value of the peanuts. Roasting causes the peanuts to lose some of their vitamins and minerals, which means that the peanut butter you're consuming may not be as nutritious as you think. After roasting, the peanuts are ground into a paste using heavy machinery. This process can cause the peanuts to oxidize, which can lead to the formation of harmful free radicals. Finally, the peanut butter is mixed with various additives such as sugar, salt, and hydrogenated oils to improve its flavor and texture. These additives can contribute to the high calorie and fat content of peanut butter. Vanilla flavoring. Most of the vanilla flavoring used in food and beverages is not actually made from vanilla beans. Instead, it's made from a compound called vanillin, which is a synthetic or semi-synthetic version of the natural compound found in vanilla beans. The process of making vanillin involves the use of a variety of chemicals, including coal tar, pine bark, and rice bran. These chemicals are combined and undergo a series of chemical reactions to produce vanillin. While vanillin is considered safe for human consumption, the process of making it can be harmful to the environment. The chemicals used in the process can be toxic and can contribute to air and water pollution. So, the next time you enjoy a food or beverage that is flavored with vanilla, think about the process of making the vanilla flavoring. You may never look at vanilla the same way again. What are your thoughts on this? Do let us know in the comment section below. See you in the next one.